The wire bender is the first step in the FlexScreen process. We take oil-tempered spring steel that has been PVC coated and bend the frame. While bending all four corners, we are laser etching all sides of the frame. This helps with product identification. After we bend the frame, we move it to the strip weld station, where we remove the coating. After that, we butt weld the frame together to make one-piece construction. Then we move to the single head laminator. This is where we cut the mesh, shrink the shrink tube, and laminate one side of the frame. Finally, we move the frame to the vertical laminator, where we laminate the other three sides, creating both chemical and physical bonds utilizing heat and pressure. Finally, the excess mesh is trimmed and the final FlexScreen is produced.